Hello and welcome to day 5 of the 7 days of spring collaboration with Dear Julie Julie and myself, Cara Brandon. And it is, what did I just say? Day 5. So today we have this library pocket from Julie, library card, and then some little vintage cards that look like business cards, and then a flower. And then because Julie had this library card, I went ahead and made a few more library cards, some words that you can add as some embellishments, and then these little two little journaling cards. So today it was a little bit different. Past couple days I crafted kind of on the fly, and then today I started messing around before I turned the camera on. So I'm going to show you what I've made, and then we'll make one together. And it's been a hot minute since I've made paper clips, I think. I don't know, maybe? I can't remember. One of my favorite paper clips that I've ever made was using the coin rolls. I'll link that below. I think that's one of my favorites, one of my favorite videos, and it's from way back when I first started, and I was actually on Jessica Huffman, kind of full circle. I was on her design team when she had the junk trunk kit. It was before she had her daughter, and she had her monthly or every other month junk journal kit. And I was on her design team, and I made those coin roll things with the crafty supplies in the kit. Feels like a long time ago. Anyway, so I think I've done paper clips since then, but I just don't remember. I think those are my favorite. So I just took a paper clip, some of my favorite fabric that I just recently bought, this flea market from Moda. I bought 2 different packs. It's so cool. So cool. And so I took some fabric, and then I just folded it over the paper clip, and then I just did some collaging with the bits from the pages. So this is right here, and then I had some music paper, and then this is, it says author. It's from the it's from that. What can't I think? The library card. Wow, words hard. And the same thing here. This is a piece of Julie's, and then more of the library card. And then this one I have from BB Craft. I have my keys still sitting on my desk, and so I just did with some embroidery thread a little stitching, and just stitched that on so that it kind of lays flat. If I had a bulb pin or whatever, it would have been a little too bulky. So there's that one. And you'll notice I have my paper clips going either direction, so they can go on either side of the page. This one was from Julie's, and then mine, and then that was also from Julie's kit. Here's another one, and then this one I used one of my wire wrapped beads that I have. This is one from my Tickets and More, or my digital tickets kit. Just a little stitching there. And there's that one, and here's one with another key. So, oh, and then the other thing I did is I just put together the pocket. I need to back this because I don't like it being so floppy, but just did a little collage. That's from my ticket kit, and that one's ready to go into the journal. All right, so super simple. I have some bits and pieces over here. Let's kind of get a little organized. And then I just cut strips of fabric. You know, the width. This one's a little short. That one's a little big for the paper clip. And then you can sew on these or not. It's really up to you. They look good either way. And then you just take your fabric and then fold some down in the back. Sorry, we have neighbors that are playing catch in their backyard, and my window's closed. They were loud. All right, it is spring. Everyone's enjoying the spring weather. All right, and I just fold it down. I'll probably trim that off. So I can find my scissors. Like that. And then just collage whatever bits you want on the front. So we have these flowers, we have a little chick. This music. This is an excellent way to use up those scraps and those itty bitty bits that you might not want to part with. Shine like the sun, I like that. And maybe we'll use a little bit of this behind. It's hard because I also don't want to cover up the fabric because I love it. So we'll have a little bit of the fabric peeking through. There. And that's it, really. You just kind of glue your things on. And I don't mind if they go over the edge. I think that's kind of fun. Gluey fingers. We'll put a little chick. And then our words. There we go. And then I've been adding a little bit of lace or trim up at the top, just for a little something. And then for this one, like I did a little stitch there across the top, but it looks just as cute without. And there we go. All right, so then for the key, I just took thread. You could decide if you just want fewer threads, but I went ahead and went with the whole bundle of threads. And see if I can thread this while recording. You're watching me, so it makes me not able to see what I'm doing. Just kidding. There we go. Okay. And then I tie a knot. Get my key. Let's see, where do we want it to go? Right there. Somewhere on the music. And then I want the knot in the back, so I'm going to start at the back. And then just loop it around a couple times. There we go. And we tie it in the back. I'm just going through my knot. Then we cut it off. Super simple. And there we have it. Cute. Easy peasy. And pretty quickly you can make a bunch, and then you can use them in future journals or send them to friends. Happy mail. Yeah. All right, well that was day, what were we? Day 5. And I hope you're still crafting along. Don't forget, post pictures, use the hashtag 7 Days of Spring 2021, and post pictures in Dear Julie Julie's group and Cara, Brandon, and friends. All right, I'll see you tomorrow with day 6. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.